Hello, have you checked a new 3D pen stand DIY? So here we have options, 5 different options and kids favorite dino. So let's start. So there's an instruction manual, color guide, paintbrush and some chalk paints, 4 different sheets of parts of the dino, easy assembling instruction manual and a color guide. So let's get started. First you can paint your individual part with the chalk paints and then detach them from the base, all the parts, and as per the instruction manual you can start assembling, and it's very easy to do. Kids really love this model, and now you can use it to store your pens and stationeries. So here are our other DIYs. Thank you so much for watching.